A simple recipe using sago and potato, sago and onions. Today's recipe is a healthy, versatile Sabudana recipe which can be had for breakfast at the time of fasting or as a snack. Welcome to Whada Gravy. If you like my videos, do subscribe. And to not miss out on new videos, press the bell icon after subscribing. To prepare the sago dumplings, we will need small-sized sago pearls or sabudana 2 cups and salt. The ingredients for the potato peanut filling are 6 medium-sized potatoes, 1/4 cup peanuts, 5 to 6 green chilies, a handful of coriander leaves, ghee, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half a teaspoon cumin seeds, lime and salt to taste. The ingredients required for the onion masala filling are 5 medium-sized onions, 1 capsicum, a handful of coriander leaves, few mint leaves, half a teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 5 green chilies, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds powder or dhania powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half a teaspoon roasted cumin seeds powder, half a teaspoon garam masala, half a teaspoon amchur powder, 2 tablespoons fried gram or puffed Bengal gram, oil, Himalayan rock salt or indupu. Take 2 cups of sago. Add water. I have washed only 2 times, as if there is a little bit of starch, it helps in binding the dumplings. To the washed sago, add water to slightly above the level of sago. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix and allow to soak for 3 hours. Meanwhile, to prepare the potato filling, cut the potatoes into medium-sized pieces and steam cook. Peel and mash the potatoes. Roast the peanuts. Grind the peanuts to a medium coarse powder. Heat a fry pan, add 1 teaspoon ghee. When the ghee becomes hot, add the cumin seeds. When the cumin seeds start sputtering, add the green chilies. Fry for a second and add the mashed potatoes. Add 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder, mix and add half a teaspoon salt. Mix everything well. Add the finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix and set aside. To a plate, add half of the roasted peanut powder. Add half a teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt and mix. Add the juice of half a lime. Mix everything well. To prepare the potato peanut filling, take the potato masala, make into oval shape, make a dent in the center, and place the peanut powder mix inside. Gently close the edges and seal. Make all the fillings similarly. To prepare the onion masala filling, cut the onions into thin long slices. Powder the fried gram or chutney dal. Heat a fry pan, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of any cold pressed oil. Add the finely sliced onions. Fry until the onions turn translucent. Add half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry for a minute. And add the finely chopped capsicum pieces. Mix well. Add salt as per requirement. Add the red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin seeds powder, garam masala, amchur powder. Mix everything well and keep stirring. Add 1 more teaspoon of oil if required. Mix well and continue to stir. Once the raw smell goes and the onions have fried well, add the chopped coriander leaves and the chopped mint leaves. Mix and switch off the stove. Add 2 teaspoons of the fried gram or roasted chana dal. Mix and set aside. To make the onion filling, take some onion masala and roll into oval shape. Make as many fillings as required. After 3 hours, the sago has soaked well. Mash it lightly. You can easily make round balls of the sago and flatten it. To pat the sago into round shapes, you can either use cut pieces of banana leaf or butter paper. You can wet a cloth and use that too. I have shown all the 3 methods in Sabudana Thalipeet recipe. You can find the link for the same in the description box below. To use the banana leaf, grease the banana leaf with oil. Place the round dough of sago. Grease your hands with oil and pat it to a thin round shape. Now, place the potato peanut dumpling in the center. Fold the leaf so that the edges of the round-shaped sago overlap. Press and seal the center. Remove any excess dough from the sides and seal the edges. Shape and set aside. To use the butter paper, grease it with oil. Place the round dough of sago. Instead of oil, you can also wet your hands with water to pat the dough. Flatten into a round shape. Place the onion masala inside. Seal the center and then the edges. Place all the dumplings on a greased banana leaf lined steamer tray. Heat a steamer pot with water. Once the water starts boiling, place the steamer tray with the dumplings. Make sure that the dumplings are not close together, as when they are hot they tend to stick together. Steam for 10 minutes. The dumplings are done now. You can see that they have become translucent. Remove the steamer tray and set aside. The dumplings can be enjoyed as such, hot, or they can be pan-fried. To pan fry, heat a pan, add a few drops of oil, place the dumplings and keep turning until they get a slight crisp outer texture. Transfer to a plate. When cut, you can see the outer sago covering, the inner potato layer and the peanut masala inside. And in the onion stuffing, you can see the sago covering and the spiced onion threads inside. Serve with coriander mint chutney or any accompaniment of your choice. Enjoy any flavor that you like. You can add your own flavors too. If you like the video, do drop your comments below. Join me on Tuesday for another interesting recipe.